In today's video, we're highlighting the best fitness apps for women available on Android. If you're ready to empower your fitness journey, let's dive right in. Female Fitness for Women. Female Fitness for Women is a comprehensive app designed to help women achieve their fitness goals through tailored workouts and health tips. The app features a variety of workout plans ranging from strength training and cardio to flexibility and core workouts. Beginners to advanced users can find routines that suit their fitness levels and preferences. It also offers instructional videos and demonstrations to ensure proper form and technique. Additionally, the app includes nutritional guides, meal plans, and tips on healthy eating, creating a holistic approach to fitness. Users can track their progress over time, making it easier to stay motivated and reach personal goals. Kegel Exercise for Women. Kegel Exercise for Women focuses specifically on strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, which is essential for women's health. This app provides a wide range of guided Kegel exercises, catering to different levels of experience. The easy-to-follow instructions and audio cues help users perform the exercises correctly and effectively. Kegel exercises can improve bladder control, enhance sexual health, and support recovery after childbirth. The app also features progress tracking, allowing users to monitor their performance and stay motivated as they work towards their goals. With its emphasis on pelvic health, this app is ideal for women seeking to enhance their overall well-being. Sweat Fitness for Women. Sweat Fitness for Women is a popular app developed by renowned fitness trainer Kegel, specifically tailored for women looking to improve their fitness levels. The app offers a collection of workout programs, including resistance training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and yoga, all designed with flexible options to fit busy lifestyles. Users can follow guided workouts led by professional trainers, complete with instructional videos and nutritional advice. The app also features community support, allowing users to connect with others for motivation and encouragement. With its focus on empowering women through fitness, Sweat Fitness provides a comprehensive platform for those looking to transform their health and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Female Fitness for Women, Kegel Exercise for Women, and Sweat Fitness for Women helps you find the perfect app to support your fitness goals. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.